inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches possible in the warned area. Some locations that could experience flooding include Parkersburg, Marietta, Belpre, Point Pleasant, Gallipolis, Pomeroy, Rio Grande, Racine, Couville, Rutland, Fort Glen State Park, Lake Vesuvius, Vienna, Williamstown, New Haven, Mason, Tuppers Plains, Washington, Lubeck, and Boaz. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night. The hazardous weather can be expected. It is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, the aerial flood warning has been extended until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Mason, What